Let's take a look at number 11. And I'm going to plug in my calculator. Now the reason I'm plugging in my calculator, I can't do direct substitution. It does not factor cancel. It's not really the conjugate method. Conjugate method is when you got a radical plus something else or minus something else. And we don't have that. Okay. So if I number 11, where in the world's my there it is. Okay, so I'll go to y equals clear, and I got x divided by square root, so second x squared, and then x squared minus 9. It could be the table's going to be the best way to see this, but let's just look at the graph. Now this is approaching -3 from the left side. So we're tracing our graph come from the left side. And it appears like it just stops. Well, they never just stop. So it's a flaw. That's why I was saying the table's probably going to be the best way. Let me make sure I'm set up correctly here. Independent is ask. Okay. So I go to the second graph. Now I'm getting closer and closer to -3. If I put in -3, you see we get an error. But if I put in negative 2.9. Wait a minute, I'm approaching from the left side. Scratch that. If I put in negative 3.1. Gives me that. If I put in negative 3.01. Gives me that. Negative 3.001. Gives me that. Negative 3.1230 zeros and 1 gives us that. You're starting to see a pattern, aren't you? Negative 3.1234 zeros and a 1. It's going to negative infinity, isn't it? The values just keep getting smaller and smaller. So this graph is line. This never just stops. Keeps going down forever. So that's going to negative infinity, come from the left side.